Solomon Agbasi. Solomon Agbasi. Or a goalkeeper. Maminkani, not or a goalkeeper at the Continental Club Masters. Glorious Accra Hatzefolk. Agbasi contract na almost sign. In the course of last season, maybe catch us the contract no one sign a professional contract with Accra Hatzefolk. The GFA allowed so bet me assign a contract be omo friend no amateur contract. And no be the house any Solomon Agbasi assign here. Okay. Agbasi ko PM our Black Stars camp even though 26 players they call work up no one count. Kabiru Masendo Adebi. Exactly 2 weeks ago. And I'm back at you say report amati from Black Stars camp. And they say Asante Kotoko, Medeama Sporting Club. Omania Bresson for Solomon Agbasi and not free Accra Hatzefolk as you hear. Sad story no any. We am the two Pepe Suarez media 2 weeks ago. Wow. Fear yani yes story no. Agbasi Solomon Agbasi to Asante Kotoko.
Asante Kotoko.
Any
Black Stars.
82 weeks update about my catches a story near you dear chile. Me akofa update na ediaba.
Original.
Everything you need to know about Solomon Agbasi. On the house of Westia. And common call saying, there some waka Medeama. On the common to saying, me and her at your mammy and my story for Club Japan. Masoriaco. I wish your pennies of a
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow.
It is Solomon Agbasi. No question say a bra and prem no say. Only Hatzefolk any contract. Okay. And prem. In fact, uni my dear ma Solomon Agbasi asamno. Me wuni ye pa. If Agbasi had gone to the World Cup, nanka club side abeshe nim say oni club.
It is a FIFA sika nka beko ha.
Eti sa sika nka has enya.
Wow.
The amount here between 200 and 250 70 no has been on goalkeeper Benjamin Asare Agbasi and has enya sesika no okay and free na no na mani ko boss one mu say anyama na submit your man submit Agbasi as Hatzefolk goalkeeper. Then I called somebody within the ranks of Hatzefolk and any part confirm am say I goalie no agreement no in fact I dey we buy na check akra. I called omo mo registration ho adwuma e Ghana and omo kire say GFA no ema omo an open window bi to register some players as amateur. And tenant kura na Japan ema Solomon Agbasi sika has the man e wo form papa. Ooh. E wo form pa. But here can say they are a free agent. Okay. Agbasi a free agent as we speak. Has for NJ mu say we a free agent in Jonko. Hatzefolk and they are technical director, even though I'm not confirm here. I open anything at the Abubakar Watara. Now, Abubakar Watara and the board chairman of Hatzefolk, the sole bankroller of Hatzefolk is here. Okachan says, Omuma, Ono Ejumana, Ono Watara, Ejumana. Oba convince Solomon Agbasi amnesty.
Wow.
Obama branch and the Kevin of SB, I extending a contract. Now I'm David Opafrani, I extending a contract. We and your ma, Okachan pay for so bit my a day among. I'm the person example.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow.
Solomon Agbasi, and he has a share on a Medeama SC. On a got quite dinkomo and common in ye.
Wow.
Hatzefolk Solomon Agbasi Akacho Mose Obetimi signing a professional contract with the Phobians. But Ajise has assured say obey #1 goalkeeper of Accra Hatzefolk. Solomon Agbasi communicated the same thing and the Asante Kotoko any Medeama say wa obesani dia ma obiano. The agreement and the arrangement is that he is coming in as the #1 goalkeeper. So about Predia, young progressive discussion and Gwenim. Okay. Abushaya can say phobia hands are tied. Has what goalkeeper or your Black Stars #1.
A World Cup player.
Benjamin Asare.
Yes.
Benjamin Asare the contract was as a folk enguye. Benjamin Asare yekasa has enya team emfamano. Adia has a folk try so many sen commitment club. No man Tom Benasare. Any nanka go post num ababedaho. Ede ama a branch of the thing at the Solomon Agbasi. So man number one goalkeeper. And from the Continental Club as Nemum, as we speak, Sabre, Amino Kasei, and Yadia has any deal at the ama goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. Hats of folk any agents bebre edin komo. Wamo any football agencies bebre edin komo. So much as a World Cup and win for no. A bet me a cover Solomon Agbasi na cover Agbasi and a bet my boy amomanya deal. Adiamano ama Asare. Nanka Agbasi abaye the second choice. Eno aye number one. Abuja Pesa Mejampo.
Felaman.
Abuja Pesa Mejampo.
Pepe swale.
Assembly esi wa Black Stars campo. Nipa titri ba kwa or Black Stars technical team nemu. Ekache Solomon Agbasi say oye goalkeeper no what playing timer. And ka 3 goalkeepers are yes submitted them FIFA no. And kono Solomon Agbasi can redeem.
Wow.
Let me take it again. A prominent person within the Black Stars technical team,
The original Felaman,
spoke to Solomon Agbasi and told Solomon Agbasi say, if or a goalkeeper or what playing time or enjoy playing time, and ka 3 goalkeepers na no submit yama FIFA no, based on training no mo sha se koya ya branch area no. After playing comedy Solomon Agbasi din ebe ka 3 no.
fantastic.
Me who say Kabiru ayi trikeka ayi Joseph Tatana na trikeka no. But na demon paying for to name a goalkeeper or your assistant goalkeeper to the same goalkeeper no so call World Cup ni bi no. Na demon enti sa asem na panyin na ka kire Solomon Agbasi no. Ama Solomon Agbasi decided say he wants to be a number 1 goalkeeper. In fact, Solomon Agbasi is panyin are ready to even sign for a mid-table team in the league to be a number 1 goalkeeper. Playing time. Because Black Stars, you know, ever assembled just in September. Now, and Commander, a course one. Now, Black Stars technical team is a train. And my branch and a company, I am convinced. So, if they are able to secure a club where he will be the number 1 goalkeeper, then chances say Solomon Agbasi obetumi enya Black Stars team numero na feri ye fred 23-man squad, 24-man squad, 25, 26 obey a member no of the penny ewosoro. So Solomon Agbasi is looking for playing time. Now this is what Solomon Agbasi and the family they feel.
Nice one. If
Solomon Agbasi ebenya number 1 spot I have to focus the penny on team bia. Solomon Agbasi. So Benya playing times I had to folk any team of first 11 on the Jinema. Unconsider team bia. He is not saying say I'm Pam Benjamin Asare. Amanenko. On case when him go that Benjamin Asare. Name him or this one also Ohiasa or that poem. At Dreams as your Ginny. He feels that Medeama platform near a big platform of Japan. And Medeama come back to Africa. He's played in the CAF Confederations Cup. Imagine as a top goalkeeper in the CAF Confederations Cup. Medeama Kobo CAF Champions League. Solomon Agbasi in the camp. Efilisa. Sombenya Medeama platform in the CAF Champions League. It is a platform that will propel the goalkeeper into the Black Stars and at the never higher height. This is conversation with Japan. Across Solomon Agbasi, the camp, and at Medeama. Yen etie for ne na hwefo. I'm the person majabo.
Original.
Now mami enwura ahana me nkai say Asante Kotoko coach. I'm friend coach. Kotoko football director.
Director of football.
Stanley Menzo. Kotoko ni say omo be din komo na. Omo ankasa nyi omo ni mpanyimfo no omo de soma fa nchenchen. Sa na ye ball. No obi abe test waters na he. So mo hena say interest ni o nipa no no maji woni. But mo test waters na say nyoma ya. Na fe mpanyimfo no eyi omonim. Me no ka say Stanley after videos of Solomon Agbasi na Kotoko director of football aba into conclusions that a branch can be of help going forward. Ni age ne san so eye pa.
Wow.
Agbasi age ne mutapanyi esan so eye pa. Ti Asante Kotoko football director. Ono ahwe videos of Solomon Agbasi. Ana wa conclude say Solomon Agbasi no obetumi aye helpful to the cause of Asante Kotoko going forward. Now the ball is in a court of Asante Kotoko. Say on decided say Solomon Agbasi ba on the playing time now open at the man and at Kotoko Solomon Agbasi will be the starter at Asante Kotoko.
The Camara, the first choice is gone.
Yeah. Met my catcher say Agbasi assigned the man Asante Kotoko or be first choice. So Agbasi signed at the man Medeama for the ready to be the first choice goalkeeper. Especially African no more. They feel say omo ehia experience. Omo ehia goalkeeper or experience. No more than room. Omo Felicity. But they feel that Agbasi and Agbasi, I be a member of the Black Stars. The business side of it, 25-year-old goalkeeper, 25 years of penny, a year papa age in a year. 80 Solomon Agbasi, about 10 games last season at the Continental Club basis because now we are second to the first choice goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. We the entire details. I freeze Uncle Ebano and Abusia. My breaking that down.
The original fella man.
Young Quaid.
Pepe Suarez.
I'm the president of Jampo.
Richard Pepe Suarez, the fella man.
Asante Kotoko executive chairman. James Osei Brown. Joshop. Asante Kotoko director of football, Stanley Menzo. Omone the potential Kotoko coach a meeting e phone so enra.
Ooh.
Meeting ekoso. Nipa miensa mo ye meeting no. Stanley Menzo,
director of football.
Executive chairman James Osei Brown. The South African coach who could be named the Kotoko coach, eminent. The point when they're eminent, you know. And omu enya a lengthy discussion on phone.
Fantastic.
Via phone. And common be a chance here any ko ye inam de ma we penny.
Nice one.
The board chair was informed by the director of football say as a issues nkete bi ewo owura no contract ho. And they sought to iron out all outstanding issues related to the coming in of coach, you know. Coach, Miss of South Africa. Okay. Initially, now come somebody an IAS product. I will free Netherlands and Eba. The demands no over and above Kotoko's budget.
Yeah.
To only the eton chain. Stanley Menzo, South Africa, he might say, why ye Juma ewo Holland crew, Netherlands crew model. I want to the training. And why ye Juma kakra ewo. I want and Stanley anymore. And a Stanley a contacting and run. One more adding como ewo phone so in a bid to iron out all outstanding issues. All issues are agreement no. And Kotoko's board chairman, outside executive chairman, no. On a Kotoko's director of football. Any opinion edding coma. Abusia diameti and say, and yoma atutum. Etinyame adoma. Ya wada ebe. Yes, Petisa Stanley, any South African coach in Yano. Eba be pim. Wamoba 2 days on bedi e won kran. Adwuma so bi edo machi won kran ba yawie. Omo wie sa adwuma na won kran na. Omo ebe dane omani aba kumase. Sa Stanley Menzo nkoa beduru. Na Stanley Menzo nkoa hye preseason na septa panyi. Kotoko emfa head coach Emma. Asem we must repeat it ama.
Okay.
Kotoko started season without a coach for Frobia. Stanley had the needed qualification to lead Kotoko into the season. He will now lead Asante Kotoko. mawie ho
Nice
enso
one.
e de ma abuja pesa me cham
The original fella man, Richardo Pepe Suarez.
Saturday no se na mbeka cho sa branch be ndi ade Claude Shooting Bote. Claude Shooting Bote. Na Claude Shooting Bote no defender, center back.
Yeah.
Claude Shooting Bote ni din shooting nti otabo shot frechiri. Na last season obom yensa egwatrem. Even though a center back no, o shootu miensa edit to atem. Yeah, Claude. Now the shooting now ni shot unti shootu as a problem. The Claude Shooting Bote. Kotoko for center back. Enye optional, enye agudie, enye sa opa. Kotoko would have to get a center back.
Sure.
The analysis, we've done it over and over again. The fact that Samba is gone, the fact that Ablo Enyo, the fact that Nyansu Enyo, Kotoko aka 2 center backs here say. So Kotoko will need to have a center back going forward. Ewo Agrona one age. So cross shooting bote. I was just Saturday and make a say Claude come on house and na mo hwehwia ho. Me catch on say bibiani gold stars hwehwia nkomo we ho. And none pay my fan to just say and I said na wie my fan to say Adriana Football Club. Ah ma sha mo preseason ase. Na Adriana omo preseason the second phase. Ebe boso e Kumasi for Musa Forestry Park no so.
Yes.
Adriana de no agye Claude Shooting Bote deal no mu. Claude Shooting Bote. In fact, met my catch say official bid free. Adriana any Gold Stars or enam kwa so a ekro.
Wow.
Kotoko emfa bid bi anko e. Ehwehwia na Kotoko ehwehwia. Kotoko interest no. But official bid say Kotoko aswa bid e dia akodo be met my catch say and happen. Kotoko bid enko kodru ho. We dear metimi at the amount. Abuja pesa me champo.
The original fella man, Richardo Pepe Suarez.
Na Medeama for no one team no the G League last season no mu here reinforcement be breza na.
Some more Africa.
Okay, nti
I'm go Champions League.
Because Medeama conclude business pa.
Wow.
Bebre o enya kakra bi o.
Wow.
Me catch us Kotoko epe eche Dogley. Me catch us eche Dogley no Kotoko enya ya nka ideally a midfield of eche Dogley. Kofi Tompuo ena Abrante fan say hibe jew. Omu nyina age ne ye.
Yeah.
Omu nyina ni ball ne kerese obi ani ball no ball. But no kwasam ne say eche Dogley no last week me catch us wa ben Medeama. Me no ka say eche Dogley. The unveiling video I already Medeama takwa.
Wow.
Unveiling video. Bia nim se meka say wie na abawu se be da be ne be bawu. Wo mo aye bibia wi a wo mo eba be outdoor eche Dogley. Pondo Heart of Lions wa. Kabiru say okay Ruben Hennessy on. One ayi na ball 4 and 5 no. Aban no akwa sign e wo Malaysia. Team ni din ni dey sama ka chiro bebrebe. Wo ka say Ruben Aban no friend phones dey aso money team ni din a. E bia agise china. Na Ruben Hennessy fantastic center back. Medeama for no ahwim Ruben Hennessy.
Wow.
E dey aka wonum players o mo fa o mo no. Medeama Makacho so must submit a bid of 450,000 Ghana cedis. And the bechem for Kofi Tompuo 450,000.
4.5 billion.
And I'm there for Kofi Tompuo.
Hey.
Medeama yana Air Solomon Agbasi. One at the Champions League platform no. At the Air Jesenka Solomon. Abetias no be sign at the Amom. Medeama was open. Meno ka say Medeama Sporting Club. I was a pensa example.
Pepe Suarez.
I'm saying Medeama for omo ti odin. Omo te say has ne Kotoko e ko ho pe.
Love the Champions League.
Oh, no my fast, no my lande. Eti Medeama recruitment na mjapanyi. Kwa nanim click. Ah, my no maje say womo ebefa players bebrebe. Enso e de aba wonum etim num. Sama catch us omo former striker. Jonathan Soa. Ono so has in di nkomo to ba Medeama di animu a. wɔn ɛyɛ conclude that deal for Jonathan Soa. Now there's a right back. Who's a right back? Wɔn tɔn wɔn deɛ ne de kɔ Ahila.
Yeah.
Kamadi Mahmoud ɛkɔ Ahila. Mene o kasa Medeama Sporting Club of Japan. Pando out of Lions right back or ball last season. Medeama eguso wɔn di nkɔmɔ ɛnkyɛn wɔn bɛwie. Captain Adema Hawa United Football Club Sofiane Osman. Medeama edi nkɔmɔ around Sofiane Osman. Omo recruitment no omo ni abre papa coach no coach and din Ibrahim Tanko Anyas as an kwan obey na no be because